What is up, YouTube? It is Storm here, back with another video, and in today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install hacks for free on Phasmophobia. For those of you that are not aware of what Phasmophobia is a new co-op horror game created by Kinetic Games that is fun as hell. Highly recommend you guys checking it out, but the objective of the game is to survive from the ghosts, figure out what ghosts is haunting you guys, and then go ahead and complete the missions. This hack enhances it. It allows you to cheat on it. It allows you to increase your level, add money to your account, fuck with your friends, mod the lobbies. It does a lot of cool things. I do want to let you guys know, though, I do not encourage hacking. Please don't ruin the game. Don't ruin the experience for everyone else. If you are going to use these hacks, just use them with your friends. Don't actually do them in public lobbies because it ruins the game for everyone else. And this is a great, fun game, and I don't want the experience to be ruined. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So, in order to install the hack, you need to go ahead and click on the link in the description below. And you're going to go ahead and download something called Phasmophobia Enhanced. Once you extract that, you should get 4 things onto your desktop. You should get the SMI, Sharpmon Injector, Run, and then the Phasmophobia hack.ddl. What you need to do is you need to go ahead and run Phasmophobia for this hack to actually work. If Phasmophobia is not running on your computer, this hack will not work. So let me go ahead and open up Phasmophobia, and then once I do it, I'll go ahead and get back to you guys. Alright, so now that we are logged into the actual game, we can go ahead and start injecting the hack into the game. So what we're going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and minimize the game window, and I'm going to go ahead and click Run, and it's going to go ahead and inject the files into the game. Once you get into the game, you should see a mod menu now installed onto the game. So in order to activate the full mod menu, we need to go ahead and load up a training game. I do want to let you guys know, though, you can load up a training game. You do not have to complete the actual training session. You just have to load into the game. Once you load into the game, you can go ahead and leave. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. So we're going to go ahead and load a game here. Wait for the game to load. And then as you can see, it activated the other parts of the mod menu. So let me go ahead and X out of this real quick. Go ahead and leave here. And then show you the features that this mod menu comes with. So the main features I know a lot of you guys are going to use is probably the money feature and then the EXP feature. So you can add any amount of money that you want, and then you can increase your level as well. You can turn speed hacks on, which allow you and everyone in the lobby to move at an extremely high rate. You can go ahead and complete the side missions or the main missions. So the side missions would be the objectives, the bones, etc. The main mission would be identifying what ghost it is and all that fun stuff. And then you can also unlock all the doors. You have the ghost actions where you can go ahead and make the ghost ideal. You can make the ghost go to a certain room. You can make the ghost appear. You can make the ghost start hunting. You can cut the light in the house, and you can make the ghost wander. You also have Esp options, so you can see where the ghost is in the house. You can see where other players are in the house. You can see where the Ouija boards are in the house. You can see where the bones are located, and you can also show the ghost. This feature right here, the show the ghost feature, is a great feature if you guys want to get some high, dope, awesome photos of the actual ghost avatars. Highly recommend doing that. I've done it a few times. You can upload it on the community page or whatever. And then you also have the wall hack / glow. I do not know what this actually does, as I've tried it a few times and it doesn't seem to work, so I'm not too entirely sure on what its purpose is. There is one other feature, though, that's not on the mod menu, and that is the developer feature. So I actually need to go into a public lobby to show you guys this. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. I'm just going to join a random game here. Do this one. So you can go in developer mode, and what this allows you to do is it allows you to select what the ghost is going to be, which is pretty cool. So obviously I got kicked because the guy heard me saying that, but yeah, so this is the Phasmophobia Matrix hack, I believe is what it's called. It's a free hacking tool that you guys can use. The main reason why I made this video is because there's a lot of programs or sites out there that are making people pay a premium to pretty much purchase Phasmophobia hacks that pretty much do this. And you have to pay like a subscription. It's really stupid, and I just wanted to put out a tutorial for you guys to get free hacks so that you don't have to blow your money on stuff that's not going to work or that's pretty much a scam. I will be making more videos on Phasmophobia. There's other hacks I want to show you guys, so make sure you guys stay tuned. I'll also be still continuing my main hacking series where I review programs, set programs up, etc. All the main stuff that really blew my channel up. I also want to thank you guys for the 2,000 subscribers, but I want you expand my content into also game hacking, because I do a lot of gaming on the side when I'm not with my girlfriend, when I'm not at my job, when I'm not making YouTube videos. So it is a big part of me is gaming. So I want to go ahead and share that part with you guys. So this channel is going to continue to grow, but also introduce new content. So if you guys like that, make sure you guys subscribe, leave a like, comment, share this video with your friends. And without further ado, guys, I will see you. Peace.